Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I would like to share the knowledge about this one is the actually numerical which is related to the researchers who are working on the spectrophotometer and they are trying to find out the absorbance of the different chemicals or different ingredients. This is the numerical and it is very important. And how can you find out the absorbance? This is the statement of this that the numerical 3.96 10 power minus 4 molar solution of the compound A exhibited as the absorbance 0.624 at 238 nanometer in the 1.0 centimeter cubed. So a blank had an absorbance of the 0.29 and absorbance of the unknown solution of the compound A was 0.375. So when you find out the concentration of the unknown sample, so find out the unknown the concentration of the A in the unknown sample. How can you find out? So solution A1 is actually that the absorbance of that the 0.624 at 238 nanometer, and C1 is the concentration of the solution A that is equal to 3.96 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 4, and the blank had the absorbance 0.029 and A2 is the absorbance of the unknown sample 0.375. So the B is actually the QH length, that is 1 centimeter. How can you find out? And you need to calculate these two values. One is the absorptivity of that chemical, other one is the concentration of the unknown sample. So here you can apply the Beer-Lambert law, and that A is equal to FC naught BC, and firstly you have to find out the value of the FC naught, then you can find out the concentration of the unknown sample. So the actual absorbance, it is very important who are working at the spectrophotometer. So to find out the actual absorbance, A1 is equal to 0.624, and you need to detect or minus the value of that blank, and 0.029 then it gives the 0.595 and similarly the 0.346. And how can you find out the FC naught? So this is the formula, and FC naught value, and FC naught is equal to A over BC, and you can put this value 0.595, 1 into 3 multiplied 96 multiplied 10 to the power minus 4. You need to then you can find out FC naught is equal to 1.50 and 1 multiply 10 to the power 3 per molar per centimeter. So absorbance of that unknown sample, that for absorbance of the unknown sample you put this formula C is equal to A FC naught B. So the A value is 0.346, 1.50 10 to the power 3 multiply 1. So then you can see that the C is equal to 2.31 multiply 10 to the power 4 minus 4 molar. This is the actually the concentration is of the unknown sample, and actually this short video about the researchers who are working on the spectrophotometer, and when they are using the spectrophotometer, and then they have to calculate the value of the absorbance of the different chemicals or the different solutions. So this is this one is one the example, and if any researcher has the confusion or any difficulty to solve this numerical or any other example which is related to that, the absorbance, he can put the comments or any that query or the question in my YouTube channel, and I will try my best to solve this problem or the query and any other that the solution which is related to this numerical. Thank you so much for your listening this example. Okay.